Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. You're asking yourself, Weems, why you're all dappered up? Well, it is the DGR 2025 here in Tampa Bay. Let's go check it out.
$500, so awesome job for the Tampa area, pretty spectacular. Now to the top 5. Is Ron Zerner here? He never comes, but he raised $3,605. Ron. Number 2 is Jonathan Corrigan, $1,694. Is Pedro Carrasquillo here? Yes. Well, he's $1,655. Great job. Bob Norton, $1,368. And he's not going to collect a prize because he's too humble, but Ty was definitely actually in the top 5 as well. So thank you for all you do. Thank you. All right, let's continue to enjoy yourself. Order some food. Head on out if you need to, but this was an absolute great day. Thank you so much.
We are hot and we are rolling with the gentlemen who actually make the Distinguished Gentleman Ride happen here in the Tampa Bay area. So with me, my good friend Ty and Marcel. So talk to us really quickly, just like 30 seconds. Men's mental health, prostate cancer. Why do we do this? Why do we get out on our bikes? Why do we make this happen?
You know, this is a global movement, right? So this is an awesome area, Tampa, but we do this worldwide, and we do it because of men. The conversation around men's health isn't obvious. It doesn't happen all the time, and this is a way to dress up, get on bikes, and bring attention to the cause.
That's it, man, because I know coming from my background, being in the military, mental health is a huge thing, especially with, suicide rates and everything within the veteran community. But for you guys just to do this specifically for the men in the Tampa Bay area, thank you guys for allowing us to come out and be a part of it this year. I tell you what, I am a huge fan of every motorcycle. I don't care what the name is on the side of the thing, but to see the conglomeration of all these different bikes out there.
Even Harley?
Well, for today, we'll allow the Harley guys to join the fun. But yes, so you're riding a sweet one. What year's your Triumph?
2014.
2014.
Yeah.
Where did the name Atlas come from?
It's my daughter's name.
See, it's all. Marcel, what are you riding?
Today I'm riding a BMW.
What year?
It is a 2021.
2021. That's what that's about, man. It's about motorcycles, about men's health, getting out here, having a good time with us. So thank you for having us once more. And if they can find out more about the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, where do they go to?
Gentleman'sRide.com. It happens every year. Sign up next year.
Yeah, regardless of what city you are in.
Yeah.
All over the world. We got friends all over the world today taking part in this ride. So let's get out and have a good time. Be safe. Do it up.
Let's go, Tampa.
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 All right, so here we are wrapping up the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride here in St. Petersburg, and we have Cheyenne with us. Now, the reason I love having you on camera is to let everybody know that it's not just about men. We have lady riders all day, all the time doing this. So how many times have you done this event?
This is my 3rd year doing it.
3rd year?
Yes, my 3rd year.
It's my 1st year, and I'm just happy to be a part of it. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's a really fun ride.
Yeah? So what kind of bike are you riding?
I'm actually on the back of my dad's CBR 1000.
CBR 1000. another example of it doesn't matter what motorcycle you ride here, whether it's a new bike, an old bike, a sports bike, a cruiser, anything. So, what's your favorite part about the DGR?
The views.
The views?
Yes.
It was a pretty epic ride, riding down right along the water side, all the big houses and all the people waving. It's a little warm out there, though.
It is a little hot, but it's not that bad. Like it was last year. Last year was way hotter.
Really?
Yes, it was.
It could be a lot worse. We could be doing this in August.
Yes.
And it gets really hot.
It gets really hot.
Well, Cheyenne, thank you for allowing us to come out on the DGR with you guys today. As you go away, anything you want to tell these folks, like, hey, come next year, be a part of it?
Yes, definitely sign up and do next year.
Yeah, so every bit of the signups, every bit of the money that comes in for this goes to profit for the men's prostate cancer and men's mental health. So sign up. It's only $25 to be either a rider or a passenger. Come out next year and be a part of it.
Absolutely.
I'll be back next year.
Yes.
Maybe on a different bike this time.
Maybe I'll be on my own bike next year. Yes.
Awesome. Oh, cool. Guys, let's go wrap this video up and have a good time. Alright, so I might be a little dapper for the chopper scene over in St. Pete, but we decided to go from the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride over to OCC because I heard this guy was competing in the cafe class that I won last year, and you did say, hey, I'm going to bring something.
Yep,
so you brought that sweet little Yamaha. Now, I was just talking to your wife. How long did it take you to put that thing together?
We did it in 5 days.
5
days. We broke it down in 1 day and got it together in 4.
Oh my gosh, dude. And you did an amazing job. So what was the inspiration for that platform?
So I've always raced Yamaha Banshees, and I wanted an RD for a long time. Got lucky and found this one, and then I got out on the Bar Beach for $3,500, but it was in great condition, but it was ugly.
Oh yeah.
The body was terrible and everything, but it ran.
Yeah.
I was like, so I have a base to start with, and I went from there. But
So at least it was running.
yeah.
And it's a two-stroker,
Yeah.
so it's like it can't be a whole lot to rebuild a two-stroker.
Right. So let me tell you what I'm doing.
Oh no.
And I actually bought the bike today. I'm doing an RD 350 with a Banshee motor.
Oh come on.
But it's gonna be more my style
Okay.
because it was a wreck frame, and I don't want to destroy a good frame, but this was a wreck frame, and I want to build something custom from it to do a loud Banshee motor.
Dude, sounds right. You gonna bring it next year?
I'm gonna try to get it done for next year. I don't want to rush it, but if I get it done, I'll...
Oh, you don't want to rush it. You built this one in 4 days. Come on, bro. Come on. Well, Dom, hey, congratulations.
Thank you, man.
Best cafe. I am so stoked because next year I'm going to be having another bike out here with you guys and hanging out. So
I can't wait to see it, man.
make sure you guys are following Dom. Where do they find you on Instagram?
They can find me at Dom's Custom Shop on Instagram.
All right. Don't burn out too much, all right?
I won't, man.
All right, brother. Appreciate it, brother. All right, so like we said, a little dapper for a chopper show. But most people here at the OCC Invitational know me, and I just had the opportunity to meet this guy, Mr. Mario, from Orlando, right?
Orlando, yep.
Right here, a Florida native, and he brought out this sweet little British motorcycle. So talk to us really quick. What do you got?
Yeah, this is Daisy 69 BSA. Took about 6-7 years to build her. Got it from the Cardo brothers up in Altoona, and just always wanted to build a chopper. I'm more of a Jap 4-cylinder guy, cafe racers, if you will. And
So why a British bike?
because it's different.
It is
Anybody
different.
can build a Harley.
I wouldn't say anybody, but I would say it's easier to build
It's
a Harley.
definitely got to be easier.
I've said it many times that it's like the Sportster that we built for the autism charity was the easiest motorcycle I've ever built, and that was because if you need a part, you can open up a catalog,
Exactly.
and you're like, hey, do you want it raw finish? Do you want it black? Do you want it chrome?
No.
And you order it, and it shows up at your house. But with
Exactly.
these old British bikes,
No, not the same.
you don't have that.
No, you can get some stuff. I had to make a whole bunch of stuff,
Yeah.
and had some help from some friends. It was a community build, really.
It takes a village.
It does take a village, and
Yeah.
I'm thankful for all those guys that I have on my team, really. to
It's a
help me out.
beautiful bike, a beautiful bike. I mean,
Appreciate that. It means a lot.
I know that you're a Florida native. I see you got the F&A headlight on there.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
You got your guy over in Orlando. Who was the guy that painted this?
Steve O'Brien, Liquid Illusions, did the paint job. Retired fireman, and
Dude, it is flaked out.
It's flaked out. It's a pound of flake.
I was fixing to say, riding that thing in the Florida sun has got to be blinding.
Yeah.
So,
I asked him for a bass boat, and that's what I got.
you got better than a bass boat, brother. You got a BSA. So
I tried to build it. That's what they would have built in '69. So that's the way it is.
It's classy. I love it. So many great details. The clay cob intake. Hey, I know you put a lot of time and effort in it. Definitely got a great motorcycle here. And I tell you what, you got the Weems Motor Co. pick up the day.
Right on. Hey. Appreciate it, brother.
So if these guys want to find you on Instagram or online, where do they find you?
Real and Feely on Instagram, and that's really all I'm at. I'm just a guy in a garage building bikes.
Me too.
Yeah. These guys are like professionals, even like you. I'm not there, but I got a day job, but this is the hobby.
I make more money on hats, t-shirts, and stickers than I do on motorcycles.
So you're just like Harley.
That's it. Oh, God, I love it. All right, right here, man. Right there. All right, guys, we're going to go around and look for some more cooler motorcycles. It's going to be hard to find a cooler motorcycle than that. Folks, well, talk about a great day to hang out with some new friends, some old friends like Jeremiah, and raise awareness and support for men's mental health, along with prostate cancer, doing the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride of Tampa, and then wrapping it up with my chopper friends over at the Orange County Choppers Invitational. Great day to get out and ride a motorcycle. Beautiful weather in Tampa. But with that, we're going to wrap it up right here as I'm riding my 1966 Triumph Bonneville dad's bike. Thank you guys for hanging out, man. If you guys really enjoyed the video, make sure that you tell all of your friends, all your family, all the cool guys about it. And hey, next year, make sure you put it on your calendar to come out for the DGR. With that, guys, thank you for hanging out. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.